Welcome to IDEA Electro, your go-to channel for practical tech tutorial. Today we are diving into step-by-step guide on how to add link in Microsoft Word documents. Whether you are linking to website, email, document, section, or file, this tutorial will make your document more interactive and professional. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I have prepared a document IDEA Electro about us. Let's begin by adding a hyperlink to an external website. First, highlight the text IDEA Electro that you want to turn into a hyperlink. Navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon and select Link. Or simply right-click the selected text and choose Link. In the dialog box, ensure existing file or web page is selected in the Link to section. Enter the full URL, for example https www.ideaelectro.com in the address field. Optionally, modify the text to display field to customize how the hyperlink appears. Click OK to insert the hyperlink. To test the link, hold Ctrl and click the hyperlink. It should open the correct website in your browser. Adding a hyperlink to an image with a screen tips. To embed a link in an image and display a tooltips. Select the image or object you want to hyperlink, for example, logo image on the top. Go to Insert, select Link. Enter the target URL such as https www.ideaelectro.com in the address field. Click on Screen Tips and enter a helpful message. For example, click to visit our website. Click OK to confirm and insert the hyperlink. To test, hold Ctrl and hover your cursor over the image. The screen tips should appear. Click to confirm the link is working. Linking to an email address. First, highlight the text such as our email address that will become the link. Open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. From the Insert tab, choose email address from the Link to section. Enter the email address such as info@ideaelectro.com. Word will automatically include the mail to prefix. Click OK. Test the link. It should open your default email application with the recipient. Linking to another part or section of the same document. To link within the same document, first set a destination. For a bookmark, place your cursor at the desired location, for example, before our vision, then go to Insert. Bookmark, name it without space, for example, B1OV, and click Add. Additionally, you can create heading to link internally. For a heading, apply heading 2. To the text, follow us on social media. You can use either a bookmark or a heading depending on your document and what suits your need best. Then, highlight the text that will serve as the link. First, select Mission and Vision on the first paragraph. Open the Insert Hyperlink dialog and select Place in this document. Choose the bookmark from the list, for example, B1OV. Click OK. Test by holding Ctrl and clicking. It should jump to the correct section. This technique is especially useful in long documentation such as reports, e-books, or manuals. Follow the same procedure for the heading. For example, select social media on the first paragraph. Right-click and select link. And select place in this document. Choose the heading and click OK. Again, test by holding Ctrl plus click. Linking to a file or another document. Select the text or object you want to link, for example, company profile. Go to Insert, Link, and choose Existing File or Web Page. Browse to desired file such as a PDF or another Word document. Here we select the PDF file Idea Electro Company Profile PDF. Click OK. Test the link to ensure it opened the correct file. To avoid broken links, make sure to share the entire folder structure. For example, include the How to add hyperlink in Microsoft Word Documents folder along with its asset subfolder and all file content within. Additional tips for hyperlink management. Use Ctrl plus K to quickly open the Insert Hyperlink dialog. To customize a hyperlink appearance, select it and modify the font, size, or color from the Home tab. To remove underlining, select Hyperlink text and click twice on Underline button from the Home tab. To remove a hyperlink, simply right-click it and choose Remove Hyperlink. With this best practice, your Word document will become more professional, navigable, and reader-friendly. That's it for today's tutorial on adding hyperlink in Microsoft Word. We hope this guide helped you enhance your document with ease. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Idea Electro for more tech tips. Let us know your thoughts in the comment below, and we will see you in next video.